What if I told you that just a few minutes of squats each day could completely change your body? Squats are one of the most powerful exercises, targeting multiple muscle groups and improving overall strength, endurance, and mobility. But what really happens when you commit to daily squats? Let's break it down. More than just a leg workout. When you squat, you're not just working your legs, you're engaging your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. But that's not all. Your core, lower back, and even your stabilizing muscles get involved, improving posture and balance. Over time, this leads to stronger, more defined muscles and better overall body coordination. Burn fat and build strength. Squats don't just build muscle, they also help burn fat. Engaging large muscle groups increases calorie burn and boosts metabolism, making squats one of the best exercises for achieving a leaner, more toned physique. Plus, they stimulate the production of testosterone and growth hormone, which help with muscle growth, fat loss, and recovery. Better mobility and flexibility. Feeling stiff, squats improve hip, knee, and ankle mobility, making everyday movement smoother and more efficient. Regular squatting also strengthens connective tissues, reducing the risk of injury and joint pain, especially if you spend long hours sitting. Boost heart and lung health. Squats aren't just about building strength, they also improve circulation and cardiovascular health. The increased blood flow helps prevent swelling in varicose veins while also enhancing lung capacity and endurance. You'll notice that daily activities like climbing stairs or walking long distances feel much easier. Fix your posture and reduce pain. Slouching often, weak core and lower back muscles are usually to blame. Squats help strengthen your stabilizers, improving spinal alignment and posture over time. And despite the common myth, squats, when done correctly, can actually support knee health rather than harm it. How to squat correctly. To get the most out of squats, form is everything. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and back straight. Lower yourself by bending your knees, keeping your weight in your heels. Push back up through your heels to return to the starting position. Challenge yourself with variations. Want to keep it exciting? Try different squat variations like jump squats for explosiveness, Bulgarian split squats for balance, or sumo squats to target your inner thighs. Mixing it up keeps your workouts effective and engaging. So, are you ready to take on the daily squat challenge? Share your experience in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness insights.